What's your favorite type of cuisine?
Thai food has the perfect balance of flavors for me.
What's your favorite animal?
I've always been fascinated by dolphins.
What's the most memorable concert you've attended?
Seeing Coldplay live was an unforgettable experience.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
Chocolate lava cake is my weakness.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
I loved watching SpongeBob SquarePants.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use the meditation app Headspace daily.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Listening to calming music and taking a hot bath.
What's your favorite childhood game?
Hide and seek was always a blast.
What's your favorite piece of technology?
My laptop is an essential tool for work and creativity.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy sunny days with a gentle breeze.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas has a special charm with all the decorations and festivities.
What's your favorite workout routine?
High-intensity interval training keeps me motivated.
What's your favorite historical period?
The Renaissance era has always intrigued me.
What's your favorite way to give back to the community?
Volunteering at a local animal shelter brings me joy.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly is a classic favorite of mine.
What's your name?
My name's Jacob.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
What is your surname?
Brown.
What is your family name?
My family name is Brown.
What's your first name?
My first name is John.
What's your address?
I stay at 13 United Street.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 845676.
What's your email address?
You can email me at john@gmail.com.
How old are you?
38.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 2074 in London.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
What do you do, or what's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
Where did you go?
I went shopping with a friend.
What did you buy?
We bought some new clothes on sale.
Where were you?
I was in London for the weekend.
Have you got a house?
No, I live in a flat.
Have you got any children?
Yes, I've got 3 children.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Can you speak English?
No, I can't speak Chinese.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we've got larger sizes as well.
How do you feel about Clara?
Clara is quite friendly and helpful.
How was the movie?
It was very interesting.
Is it difficult to prepare for IELTS?
It's not if you're practice well.
What do you think about this book?
I think the book is very interesting.
Would you like something to drink?
Thank you. Could I have a cup of coffee and some?
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, thank you. I'd like some coffee.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a burger, chips and soda.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim, with blonde hair.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like playing cricket.
Are there any sandwiches?
No, there aren't any sandwiches left.
Is there any rice?
Yes, there's a lot of rice left.
Where is the nearest bank?
The nearest bank is on United Street.
May I open the window?
Certainly, it's very hot in the office today.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly, we accept all the major cards.
How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay by cash.
How much does it cost? How much is it?
This shirt is for $50.
Have you got something bigger?
Certainly, we've got larger sizes as well.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
May I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you.
Could you speak English when you were 5 years old?
Yes, I could speak English when I was 5 years old.
Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am pretty good.
What is your name?
My name is Emily.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
How do you relax after a busy day?
I relax by listening to music.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English, Hindi, and French.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
How do you learn English?
I learn English by watching Best English online.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Are you a morning or night shower person?
I prefer morning showers.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Why do you like coffee?
I like coffee because it's energizing.
When do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m.
Are you a student?
No, I am not a student.
Does she work here?
No, she doesn't work here.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
How do you commute to work?
I commute by bus.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is David.
Why do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading because it relaxes me.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 5th.